company started in 1943. It was started by my grandfather in Karachi, hence the name Karachi Taxi Company. He started with barely about 2 or 3,000 rupees when he bought about 2 or 3 vehicles. And after shifting into Delhi, I think about 2 or 3 months later on, he had got a place outside the Imperial Hotel where the first booth of Karachi Taxi Company was established. So we have companies who are still working with us, who have been working with us in the 50s and the 60s. We give servicing hotels such as JW Marriott, Crown Plaza Gurgaon, Leela Gurgaon. These are the properties that we are servicing as of now, and to name a few. Generally, the requests that these celebrities make is their identity should be withheld, and the driver should not disclose who the client is. The drivers were not even informed till the last moment who the celebrity is. We had given them another brand new phone with a new number so that they could not contact anyone at that stage. Our drivers are very possessive about their own cars and the way they need to keep it clean. So they also don't like it if I drive the cars that they are driving. Recent visit by one of the head of states had come over for his 25th anniversary recently, about 6 or 7 months ago. So he required 2 Rolls-Royce Phantoms to be escorting with him. We were able to arrange 2 Phantoms for him. So that was something that we did. We have a certificate from the Embassy of the United States for a visit of Mr. George Bush and congratulating us for our service. We provided all the convoy cars, so when the president actually comes in, obviously his car comes in from the US itself. A convoy of, I think, businessmen, ministers, security personnel who come in, and they require about 40 to 50 vehicles. So those vehicles were provided by us, not just for Mr. Obama's visit, but for Mr. George Bush's visit as well. What we are now looking to do is, maybe by end of this year, we are expecting to get in a Rolls Royce, which would be trying to take it to another segment. Endeavor is in the next 2 or 3 years, we are planning to have a fleet of Rolls Royce and Bentleys and take the luxury car rental business to another segment.